Hello friends, let me show you how Adenium Arabicum lives in nature. A friend of ours, one of almost 10,000 subscribers to this channel, who lives in Saudi Arabia. His name is Hosam Almutawa. Visited his village. He doesn't live there full time, and on a rocky place photographed wild Adenium Arabicum. He wrote that they are growing on rocky soil, some directly on rocks or in between them. Temperature is mostly between 35 Celsius and 20 Celsius, with decent amount of rain yearly. And also he wrote that they prefer to grow near rivers or dams. I hope you liked viewing these Adeniums Arabicums, how they live in nature. If you do, please give this this video thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe, please do so. Goodbye.